Here we are at Max's Garage Mahal, and today I'd like to talk to you guys about Mountalk helmets. They have helmets for children, for toddlers, adults, female, male. They have multicolored, they have different styles and types. And I went with this one right here in a white, because I'm going to do my own little decorating on it. And it comes with the neatest little tail light. So let's take a look at this thing. And oh, I forgot to tell you I'm bald. Maybe I'll forgive that. It comes with extra headbands, sweatbands for the inside. By the way, this thing is very washable inside and out. So all this stuff can be taken out and washed. Inside the helmet, where you take the head cage out, all that's washable in here. And it's just a pretty neat little helmet. So let's see if it'll fit my head. Actually goes down on my head. I didn't think the thing was going to. What y'all think about that over there, huh? Yeah, and you right there, what do you think about that? That's pretty neat. And like I said, it comes with a little tail light right here. See if we can get it to work. I know you got to push it in the right spot. My fingernails is all turned back and broke. Let me take you. Don't feel sorry for me yet? What do you think? Okay. There you go. I think you ought to have one of these on the front too. It's supposed to be magnetic. What do you think? Is that working? So these little suckers right here feel pretty hefty, pretty steady, sturdy. By the way, that was my fault not being able to get that turned on, because I was trying to push the charge area on the thing instead of the button. Oh well, who would have thought it? Now then, I should have done all this before I started the video, but you know, y'all watch my videos, you know how they go. I learn with you guys, so that way we can all feel just as bad as the other. And I know there's a recip there for this. See, there you go. Now that's supposed to go, it's got a chin cup here you can put on. And I don't know, I don't ever do that, but it's got a chin cup, pretty neat. Let's see if I can't show that to you. Pull this off for a second, find it. Oh, I put that inside the helmet. Anyway, it's got a chin cup if you want to use that. And this little tail light, it does more than just a solid red light. It's got flashing, and it's got gotta hold it down. You can tell I should have worked this out before I pulled it out of the box. All right. Got another camera going over there. I'm gonna try that, see how that works out. And it does 2 or 3 different versions. I think that's SOS maybe. Okay, and there's off again. I don't think it has like a strobe light if you keep pushing the buttons down. So anyway, you get the gist of it. And it really fits on here real nice and it's clean. As you can see here, fits down a little trough. Really nice helmet. This thing cost, I believe it was $39.95. And again, all these sweat bands in here and sweat pads, they're all replaceable and they come with spares. These things, by the way, these things are double certified. They have US standards CPSC code 1203 and the ASTM 1447. They're verified. They have wrist, elbow, and knee pads for toddlers and children. They've got little scooters They got some really cute, really pretty little helmets for children and women. But like I said, I got this one so I can do my own decorations and put my own brand and stuff on it. Not to change the brand of the helmet, but like, voila, Max's Garage Mahal. Just like this dirty hat over here. We'll put one of them on there. Probably gonna paint this thing navy blue. Put MGM right on it. Mountalk on the sides, maybe. Leave that on there. What do you think? So anyway, it's a really nice helmet. The headpiece is adjustable. There are several adjustments on it I think you'd probably like. So I want to say it's a really nice little helmet. And the one I had before was that old really long, they fit right on top of your head. It went down about right here. Really don't protect your full head. This is a full coverage. And if you were to fall, hit the concrete, I feel very certain that these things would probably take care of you. I mean, there's all kinds of accidents, so we don't know what you're going to get into. But I can say this. That particular model of helmet comes in a shiny pink, or what I like to call gloss pink. It comes in a matte or satin black. The company calls it matte black. Most of us here would call it satin black. Very nice looking helmet. And that's if you want to be sort of covert looking. And then this white, I've seen those on Amazon and eBay. I've seen some lime colored ones, pink. I saw a blue one, and it's not in their online catalog. And the online catalog is HTTPS. It is a secure site. MountalkSports.com. So go there, or you can look these up in eBay or Amazon. And I think they prefer selling at Amazon, but they sell them both places. So if you need one of these things, I am not an affiliate. They're not paying me for these things. So if you like one of these, run over to Amazon or run over to MountalkSports.com and look it up. And they've got so many choices that you may be there for a while like I was before you get yours. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it helped you in any way, please subscribe, share, and hit that little notification bell, because you know every time I'm up you won't see me. And like we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see me now. You hear?